Hey, what's going on, guys? So, like I said, I'm not here today, but I'm going to go ahead and tell you again what the instructions are for each of my classes so that when you guys come in, you guys are not caught off guard by what you're supposed to be doing today. Okay, so if you are in my second or third period math intervention class, you're taking a quiz. There are 18 questions on this quiz. They're right up here in the tray by my classroom. So when you guys come in, grab a quiz. I want you to circle the ones that you're going to attempt, okay? Circle the ones you're going to attempt. Do 10 of them, and then there are an additional 8 of them left over. So if you answer those 10, you're like, I'm not too sure how I did on certain ones. Any problem you do over that initial 10 that you circle is gonna be counted as like a bonus almost for you guys to hopefully replace some of the ones that you miss, okay? So that's second and third period. Now, if you are in my fifth period reading intervention class, remember, we're getting this magazine out of our tray, which is right over here, along with a piece of paper. And you are going to be going to page number 8, talking about the evil swirling darkness, talking about the tornado in Joplin, Missouri. You're doing the pause and think questions, which are the little white rectangles down here. And you're doing the 4 questions at the end of this, okay? Make sure you guys have a library book with you, because when you're done with that, I want you guys reading. If you are in my flex session, so that would be Zoe, Jasmine, Elisa, Linda, Jesus, Christian, Genesis, and Hansel. We worked on Tuesday on transformation type stuff. What I want you to do when you guys come in today, I want you guys to go to level J on IXL, R.4, okay? It looks like this. Level J, R.4. You're aiming for 3 ribbons on that. And when you get your 3 ribbons done on that, go ahead and get a book out and spend the rest of your time reading. I'm going to be checking that IXL sheet to see how you guys did, so that way I can kind of bump your grades up. If you did poorly on the quiz that we took a couple of weeks ago on transformations, I can bump that grade up, because then you've done 2 sessions with me on tutoring for that. Finally, if you are in my reading, or if you're in my ESL ELAR class, we're spending our 30 minutes of reading, which we always do in class. 2 15-minute sessions at the beginning of 7th period and at the beginning of 8th period. We'll do those 2 15-minute sessions. And in between that, the first session, which you're going to be doing, is looking at session 4 on Canvas, which is using drama to bring the characters to life. And then what you're going to do is you're in that second half. So basically, 7th period is going to be read for 15 minutes, watch the video with Miss Brent, and look at how to create a story, bringing the characters in your story to life. This is our final personal narrative section we're going to be writing with. And then the 8th period is going to be read another 15 minutes, and then get your Chromebooks out and write that 3rd personal narrative using the skills we learned about in session 4 to help bring these characters to life when you're writing about it, okay? And what it's really trying to do is like kind of associate like moments in the story of your characters with what's happening in your personal narrative you're going to write. When you're done with your 3rd personal narrative, you're going to send that to me. Just email it to me, jroark@g.dentonisd.org. Share that with me. We'll look at that on Friday when I come in. That's what we're doing for today. If there are any issues out of any of you guys, and I get a note back to me from the sub that you guys had behavioral issues, I will deal with that when I get back. But I don't worry about you guys misbehaving, because you're pretty good kids, all right? I will see you guys on Friday. Have a great day. Bye.